Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the professional account on Kahoot without creating or signing up. Yes, without signing up. How to use professional account on Kahoot without signing up. It's quite simple. So what you do is that first you have to clear the cache or data of your Kahoot. Now for my phone it's easy. Just press down on it and get to the app information center, and then if you're using your phone, you've been using your phone for long, you should know where the storage is. So you click on storage and then I will press clear data. So once I clear data, the cache is gone too. So now once I come back, it opens up from the beginning. I want to use it without creating an account, so click on next, then professional, then you choose the one you want, trainer, presenter, whatever. And now when you see this option, login or sign up, don't sign up, just go for maybe later. And it's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. Now with this, you can easily explore the business option. There's professional accounts, resources and everything without signing up for it. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.